Our team has spent months running hundreds of miles on the latest models to find the absolute best treadmills for home uses of 2025. We're counting down the top 5 you can buy right now for every budget and need. Our number 1 pick has a feature we've never seen before, and our number 3 will shock you with its price. Stay until the end for the winner. And for every treadmill we show, all the links to get the best deals are waiting for you in the video description. Number 1. NordicTrack Commercial 1750 Treadmill. The NordicTrack 1750 treadmill offers a well-cushioned, spacious running surface ideal for taller runners and long strides, with a sleek design and a high-mounted 16-inch screen for comfortable viewing. It's great for moderate speed training, though it lacks quick keys for 10 and 11 miles per hour. The iFIT integration enhances the workout experience, and built-in entertainment features like Netflix make long runs more enjoyable. While it's a bit loud and pricey, it's a durable, high-quality treadmill that's well-suited for most runners. Dengate says that this treadmill has Goldilocks-level cushioning on its long 60-inch running surface. Yes, you feel the deck as you run, but it's not going to drain you or make your run feel unstable. It's simply providing enough response to lessen the impact. The length of the belt means that even the 6-footers on our test team were able to stay centered and felt as though they had plenty of room to kick out. I love this feature of the 1750. I am 6F00T and have a stride that some have referred to as stupidly long, and I've also been told it looks like I'm trying to jump hurdles. I had no problems staying on this treadmill, in spite of my drunken gazelle stride. Both Dengate and I love the slimmed-down features of the treadmill. They make it fab for runners who tend to stay close to the controls and the console. Number 2. Horizon Fitness T101. The Horizon T101 is an excellent budget treadmill that delivers impressive performance and comfort for its price. It's ideal for casual runners under 6 feet tall, with a cushion, 3-zone deck and simple, user-friendly features like Bluetooth, incline/speed dials, and 6 built-in programs. While it lacks a fancy screen and can feel a bit shaky at high speeds or inclines, it offers great value, folds easily, and supports basic app connectivity. It's not built for intense training or very tall runners, but for everyday use, it's hard to beat at this price. The Horizon T101 proves that you can get a great machine even if you're on a budget. After running on it for a few weeks, I was consistently impressed with its performance, especially given its low $600 sale price tag. It doesn't have a fancy screen or bright board, but what it lacks in bells and whistles, it makes up with functionality. It does not sync with Apple or Samsung watches, but you can link up with apps like Strava and Peloton. There's also a free app you can use called @Zone, with tons of options for workouts and gorgeous courses. Number 3. Soul F80 Treadmill. The Soul F80 is a sturdy, easy-to-move treadmill with a roomy 22x60-inch deck and a road-like feel, making it great for taller runners and serious speed work. Its intuitive speed toggles offer smooth, fast adjustments, though the console buttons skip some speeds and the fan is underwhelming. While the 10-inch screen is small, features like wireless phone charging, solid Bluetooth speakers, and a tablet holder make it easy to use your own apps. Overall, it's a quiet, well-built treadmill with great value, just opt for professional assembly. The Soul F80 is a sturdy treadmill that's made to be easy to move around. The wheels really do work on this machine, and whether you're moving it to store, or just adjusting for daylight, you can maneuver it. In that regard, it's more like the Centra than the NordicTracks. Unlike the Centra, though, this mill is less compact, with a 22 by 60-inch running area. It is bulkier than the Centra, too, but the Z-shaped body keeps you from running up onto the front of the machine, and it brings everything up a few inches, making it far more comfortable for taller runners. I had my 6'4" brother-in-law hop on for a few runs, and he was able to stay on the belt, reach the controls and handlebars, and grab his drink easily. Number 4. NordicTrack Commercial 2450 Treadmill. The NordicTrack 2450 is a sturdy, folding treadmill built for serious runners, with solid cushioning, a spacious running deck, and a smart, minimalist design that keeps everything within reach. It adjusts speed and incline quickly, perfect for speed work, and offers pre-programmed runs plus thousands of iFIT workouts, including real marathon routes. The large screen is great for streaming shows mid-workout, but the machine is a bit noisy and assembly is a challenge unless you opt for professional help. The NordicTrack 2450 is what you seek if you're looking for a folding treadmill that can handle the abuse of a marathoner or even a family of runners. It's durable, with fantastic mid-level cushioning that is neither too responsive or too firm, a large running surface area of 22 by 60 inches, and even though there's no cushion adjustment, your runs will remain bounce-free. Are you a console hugger? Me too. There's nothing that's going to be in your way, and you're not going to step on the belt cover either thanks to the Z-shaped handlebar and crossbar design that positions you in the right place to keep those feet on the belt, even if you tend to stay at the front of the mill. It's a fairly minimalist design with everything out of the way but still easily in reach, even for taller runners. Number 5. ProForm Carbon TLX. The ProForm Carbon TLX is a no-frills, well-built treadmill that delivers strong performance and simplicity, ideal for focused, distraction-free running. It features a roomy 60 by 20-inch deck, responsive cushioning, and quick transitions up to 12 miles per hour and 12% incline, making it great for speed work. While it lacks advanced tech, it supports app connections like iFIT and has a surprisingly effective fan. For budget-conscious runners or first-time buyers, it's a solid, reliable choice. The ProForm Carbon TLX is a great machine that's solidly built and offers great performance, but with few bells and whistles. And basic, simple treadmills for runners can be a beautiful thing. Limiting distractions during a workout can keep you focused in ways you don't expect. Sure, you can connect your phone or tablet to control the machine, and you can even link it to iFIT or other apps. But at its core, the ProForm Carbon TLX is a mill for the mill's sake. It's a workhorse that you can hop on at any time, get a solid few miles in, and hop back off without any fuss. If this guide helped you on your fitness journey, please show some love and hit that like button. It truly supports the channel. Share this with a friend or family member who's looking to get healthier. And if you want more honest gear reviews and fitness tips, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching. Now go crush those goals.